Hey everyone, this is for our brother MFC9970cdw. Are you getting this replace parts and PF kit 1 fuser unit, laser unit is needed to be replaced? Every time you make a copy or you come up to the machine and it's indicating that these parts are needing replaced. PF kit is basically a roller for your cassette that's on the bottom here, a roller that's underneath here, and also the laser unit. It is of course the laser that shines onto the drum, and the fuse unit is the heating and pressure unit assembly. My opinion, fuser unit, laser units doesn't need to be changed out unless it's causing a problem, and so is your roller, so you can get away with running it and resetting the counter. So a quick way to reset those supplies counter, by the way, you can also see on a configuration user page that the supplies user setting list parts life here, you'll see the fuser unit and laser and the PF kit 1 is all at 0. You can also see that it's needing to be changed. It probably was never changed since this machine has been bought or turned on, so it's indicating that those parts needing replacement. But you can reset the counter if it's bothering you and indicating for those parts to be changed. But I'd say if your copy quality is good, your print quality is good, no need to replace. Just reset the counter by pressing 3 and 9 and holding that down. Nope, that doesn't work. So I think you need to be in the home screen. I'll hit stop, go to the home screen, and then hold down 3 and 9, and this will pop up right here. Reset menu, drum unit, belt unit, PF kit MP. I'm gonna do the PF kit 1. Reset PF kit, yes, accepted. And then I'm gonna scroll down to fuser unit, reset fuser, yes, accepted. And I'm gonna do the laser unit, reset laser unit, yes, accepted. And so that should reset the supplies. Let's see, stop button here, and we'll print another user page, menu, reports, user settings, and press start. So on the last page here, you'll see the fuser unit is at 100%, PF kit is at 100%, and also the laser is at 100%. So no more indicating PF kit and laser and fuser needs to be replaced, just a cyan toner that's low. Thanks for watching, guys.